Okay, so here's a video of restoring the iron grip. Some people, they get rid of these things thinking, you know, they're dirty like that, they look old, they look yucky, nobody wants them. So I use this one. This is a wheel cleaner, wheel and tire cleaner. So spray it there. This is like it's like ceramic. The inlay on here is ceramic, so when you put that one on there and you polish it, it gets rid of the grime. See? And then I actually get one of these tire foam cleaner, and you just spray it on here. And then that rubber is gonna look brand new again. See? That looks better. Look at the other side on this one. See that one? We'll clean that one. I'll show you.